welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 13th to the 17th of June 2022 on Monday. Pain and guilty as Shogi come clean to Nomsa and Honor, while Nkosi refuses to leave Mampho's bedside as she fights for her life. Sandile feels like he is losing the battle for internship as Nambita is charged with more responsibilities on Tuesday. Naledi makes an announcement that stands Honor and the Mulapos. Shogi recalled when she learned that Dorothy knows about her argument with Mampho. Nkosi is conflicted about whether Shogi might have pushed Mampho down the stairs on Wednesday. Isaac is trapped in a corner when Naledi extorts him. Meanwhile, Faith starts to wonder if Shogi had something to do with Mampho falling, and it doesn't help that Shogi is struggling with guilt on Thursday. Mampho finally wakes up, but what will she say about how she really felt? Isaac is forced to come clean or to come up with a plan when Honor insists on meeting her mother. Things get hostile between the interns as the race heats up and trust break down on Friday. Mampho's utterance leaves everyone standing, but Nkosi is in denial. Faith wants Shogi to be punished, but Funani is not in support. Shogi confronted Mampho in front of the Zwide family. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.